Are counterfeits hurting your brand on Walmart? Here's how to get them removed. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 2 pro tips to make sure you get those Walmart fakes removed for good. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Step number 1 is identification of infringement. So what is the fake product and what is it violating? So I found a fake product right here and it is violating one of our clients' design patents. So you can see the item right here. It's a clip and it goes right on your hand and it helps with headaches. Now this is our client's design patent and you can see it's pretty darn close to our design patent. A little too close, so we can totally get them removed. This is also our client's product right here. So our client's product on Amazon, our client's product right here, and then our client's, well, this is the fake product that we want to get removed. So we identified what's the fake product and what are they violating. Number 2 is optional, and that's contacting the party and just sending them a cease and desist, telling them, hey, we have a patent, remove the item. This is optional, and I don't recommend this, but some attorneys do, where you can see who it's sold and shipped by, and you can click on their name. You can see their storefront, and you can actually contact the seller or call them and say, hey, you guys are, violating our patent. We would like for you to get removed. You can send them a cease and desist here, things like that. But all that's going to do usually is prepare them. They might get angry, they might get scared, they might hire an attorney and lawyer up, and you don't want that. So what I like to do is go to step number 3, and that is to directly report them on Walmart. So to report them on Walmart, all you can do is type in on Google, Walmart counterfeit report. You're gonna see the first link right here that's not sponsored. It's gonna take you here and it's gonna tell you exactly how to get these suckers removed. So the IP infringement claims, copyright claims, right, trademark claims, how to do it. And pretty much you can either use the brand portal or the online IP claim form. We're going to talk about the online IP claim form first. So you just click on this and it's going to take you to a claim form. You're just going to put Walmart US, who you're filing your claim as, your email address, your first name, last name, IP owner, and types of infringement. So if it's trademark infringement, you can put that here, or patent infringement. For us, it's the design patent. You're going to put this, the reason, your brand name, the item URL of the fake, the seller name. You're going to add that URL, any evidence, upload that, fill all this out, and submit that claim. Now, if we go back, we can also do the brand portal, and the brand portal is more powerful because it's your own reporting portal where you can follow up on cases and see the status. If you do it via here, you can't really see the status, you can't really get full updates, but if you get the brand portal, you can click on here, and it's going to take you to this page, and you can create a brand portal account. You need to get approved for this account. It's going to say hello, and then you put in your information, and then you can report them on the brand portal and you can follow up. It's a lot easier. Either way, once you report them via the online IP claim form, this will work as well. Just make sure you receive an email notification, and then Walmart should be providing you updates. You can also follow up with Walmart and be like, hey, is there any update on this? Or you can also file another claim. If you do file duplicate claims, there's not really a big issue. It just may take a little bit longer for you to get that fake removed, but follow up. And if you can't follow up, get approved for the brandportal.walmart.com so you can actually have somebody internally at Walmart giving you updates. Last but not least, I have my 2 pro tips to make sure these sellers get removed for good. And pro tip number 1 is going to be doing a test buy. So what you're going to do is go to this fake listing, you're going to click add to cart, you're going to buy it, and once it's delivered, you're going to take pictures, you're going to show pictures that you got it delivered, and you're going to get the order number. So once you have the order number, you're going to come back to this claims form and you're going to put that in here, and you're going to say, I actually purchased the item. Here's my order number. Here's screenshots that I purchased the item and it violates our patent. That's going to help you tremendously, probably by around 90% of becoming successful, because Walmart's going to see, wow, you actually took the time to purchase the item and verify that it is violating your design patent. And number 2 is super important, and that's making it idiot proof. Now, when you submit this claim, it's not going to go to an attorney. It's probably just going to go to a random Walmart employee. So they're going to be like, does it violate? I don't know. What you need to do is make it so easy for them to understand that they're like, oh, it totally violates the design patent. So what we do is we get the design patent on the left side. Once the item gets delivered, we take a picture of it and put it on the right side. So that way anybody who sees this image knows right away, oh my gosh, it's so obvious they violated their design patent, and they approve it right away. So make sure that your claim is idiot proof, it's in layman's terms, it's easy to understand. That way you get your infringement approved the first time. And that's it for today's video. Drop a comment below if you ever dominated Walmart or got a fake removed. And of course, if you learned something new, drop a like below. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help on Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. We'll help you, and especially with our #1 service, which is full Walmart account management. We'll manage your Walmart counterfeit removals, customer service, listing optimization, WFS, making sure your inventory is in stock, and much, much more, so we can help you maintain and grow your sales on Walmart. Contact us today. I'm signing out.